Political showdown over the Muda site allotment case has erupted in the state of Karnataka, with both the ruling Siddaramaiah-led Congress government and the opposition, that is BJP and its ally JDS, hitting the streets. Now, the political slugfest is getting bigger because the BJP today called for a statewide protest demanding Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's resignation. On the other hand, the Congress party also countered with demonstrations against the BJP and also against Karnataka Governor Thawarchand Gehlot. They are accusing him of being BJP's puppet. While the BJP protested in front of the Vidhan Soudha in Bengaluru, Congress workers staged protests across the state. Congress workers took to, protest rallies in Mandya, in Mangaluru, in Tumukuru, in Shivamoga. Angry protesters burned the effigies of Governor Gehlot and also they accused him of towing the Bharatiya Janata Party's line. In a major development in this particular case, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah moved the High Court, challenging the governor's order, which granted permission to prosecute him. This happened on the 17th of this month, and this happened after the governor got complaints from 3 activists pertaining to the Muda case. In his petition to the Karnataka High Court, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that the allegations against him do not establish a prima facie case and that the entire case is built on baseless allegations. Speaking to the media, Karnataka Chief Minister said that this is nothing but a conspiracy against him and that he will not just fight this politically, he will also fight this legally, and that is why the arguments are now going on in the court. We'll tell you more about that, but first up, listen to what Siddaramaiah said.
ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಭವನವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಜೆಡಿಎಸ್ನವರು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದವರು ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಸಿ ಬಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ದುರುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಲೀಗಲ್ ಫೈಟು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಟು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ